So, my dear friends, my dear masters, my dear gods, today let's know the importance of this Purnima Day, Guru Purnima Day, right? So, we're all celebrating, the whole world is celebrating. Why do we need to celebrate? First of all of us as a human beings, we born onto that earth, on this earth planet, the wonderful planet. Of course, we made it as a violent planet, the human beings especially, right? But so when we born here, this beautiful world, right? So before we, a lot of the great masters, great sages, especially in India, we have a great tradition, the great Puranas, scriptures, whatnot, everything. Right from the creation till now, if you just look at the way the evolution happened, India will be always in the number one in order to guide the entire world, the whole Viswa Guru. It was in the earlier, it is now also. It is proven. Of course, in between, we have undergone a lot of invasions by, so-called Arabs, Mughals, and, whatnot, British in the latest time. Everything happened. You know one thing? Most of the scriptures are damaged. Nalanda University is burned for 6 months continuously. With this, what we lost? We lost the heritage, the sound heritage of India. The sound, the greatest wisdom. I can say, the most transformational wisdom, we lost it in the form of books. It was in the books. Luckily, fortunately, even then, we survived with some of the great scriptures. You know this? So, with that, now at least we are able to celebrate Guru Purnima. Otherwise, we could have been converted into we might have been converted to Christianity or, Muslim or whatever it may be. We don't know. Because we don't have base. The foundation is damaged. Foundation is damaged purposefully, I'm telling you. That is why. So, Hindu philosophy. Hindu is the way of life. Hindu is a dharma. Hinduism is a dharma. It's not a religion, my dear friends. So, in which we're all born, and of course, any religion, whatever the religion it may be, religion can be anything, it doesn't matter. But we're all human beings. But the Hindu Dharma has got a greatest philosophy that everyone it treats equally. It finds, the inner soul, the soul consciousness. It treats everyone with the greatest equality in the whole cosmos, in the whole earth planet. That's the greatness of Hinduism, Hindu Dharma. That's why, so we're all happy. And of course now, so when the Vedas and scriptures are started, right, the Veda Vyasa is a greatest Gurus of Guru of Gurus. He has found, in the support of this great religion, great Dharma, Hindu Dharma, he has founded Vedas, scriptures, all these things. Before that, the whole creation, if you look at it, the first Guru who has become the Lord Shiva, he is the Adi Guru. From the Adi Guru, our tradition started. Of course, once he declared as a Adi Guru, the first Guru on this earth planet in the whole cosmos. He has passed on the wisdom of yoga to the all Saptarishis. From then, our tradition, our heritage, our way of life started on this earth. So that's how it started, my dear friends. That's why, so on this occasion, on this day, we give our great salutations to our Adi Guru, Lord Shiva, Lord Shankara. We all salute by bowing down our head and then we bow down to him. Such a wonderful Guru. So after that, of course, Saptarishis have contributed. And then after, Veda Vyasa in the recent times, which we found, the great wisdom in the form of Bhagavad Gita, right? And Vedas, Upanishads, everything he has contributed. Then Valmiki has written the Ramayana. Veda Vyasa has written Bhagavad Gita, the conversation between Krishna and Arjuna. And Ramayana, so Vasishtha Gita, all these things. Vasishtha Gita has been, the Vasishtha between Rama, the conversation, which has been completely written by Valmiki. So that is our tradition, my dear friends. That is where, so this is the wisdom which is giving a direction to the humanity how to live on this earth planet happily. So today, nowadays, you just observe, even the richest people, most richest people, rich people, everybody, are they living happily? It's not possible, because the happiness or the bliss you won't get through the. So kindly switch off. Okay, kindly mute yourself if there is any kind of problem. So on this earth planet, right? Nobody is happy. Why? Because of our polluted mind. Especially the mind, we are all living with the mind. We never know beyond mind. We know about body. We take care of our body most of the times. Yes, of course required, but we should not attach to it. There are something called, what happens is we are not able to go beyond the mind, right? Because such wisdom was there, but which is stopped in between, when this so-called our Gurukula stopped, the Gurukula stopped, our way of education changed, and our way of living is changed. We almost imitate the entire Western countries. That is where we got, so-called, we got mistracked. Like means we went in the wrong direction. Now slowly, after the International Yoga Day, and of course before that, Yogananda Paramsaji, so we went to the Western countries, he started teaching there, and many gurus like that. Ma Anandamaya, and before that, there are other great masters like Mahesh Yogi. There are many masters who went abroad and they started teaching the yoga. Slowly the transformation started like that again. Otherwise, what happened? We could have been in the very worst condition. So that is why, in order the human being need to be happy on this earth planet, what he need to do is he must know how to control his mind. That is only taught by yoga. Without yoga wisdom, you cannot really control your mind. You cannot live happily here. Most of the people you see, they go behind Arshad Vargas. Always they are stuck in Arshad Vargas, one or other. In any family you see, across any family. This is where the problem is there. Then how do you overcome? How do you control? How do you keep your Arshad Vargas under your control? That is the power of meditation. That's the power of yoga. So this heritage, this wisdom is passed on by whom? All our gurus. So once again, we salute all our gurus in the whole universe. Whole universe. So in this, in this whole journey of life, my dear friends, for us there are many gurus, right from, as I said, Lord Shiva, Vedavyasa, and many other. Along with that, the first and foremost in the evolution of our soul, especially in order to make us travel in the whole journey of life, our evolution of soul is much important. So soul evolution will happen only with the help of the great enlightened masters who keep teaching, who keep mentoring every human being on this earth planet. So that's very important. So that is why here, so if in order to, today belongs to all these great masters. The today is dedicated, the whole today's celebration is dedicated to all these great gurus of the universe. And also today belongs to their first guru. First guru, when you take birth on the earth planet, the first guru is mother. Today is dedicated to her. Let us salute her, our own mother. And also, our next guru, our father, let's salute him, our father. At the same time, all our senior members, all our senior family members, who some or other way, they teach us, they mentor us, they coach us, they guide us. Let's salute all of them, all our senior family members. Also, let us salute all the teachers of, all the teachers who taught us our education, right from, the primary school to till whatever the education you have studied, the prapanchika education, materialistic education. Let's all salute them, all the teachers. They're all our gurus, my dear friends. The same way, the mentors in the college, university, right? So all these great gurus who has helped us. And if at all you are a musician, you are a sports person, you are a so what are the skills you have? If you want to learn, you need a guru. Let's all salute all the gurus who has taught us all the great skills on this earth planet. And of course, the our spiritual guides and gurus, as I right now we have discussed. But in this, the in this la- in the way in this life journey, the latest guru who has introduced this meditation, this spiritual wisdom, the spiritual path to you. So let's all salute to those gurus who have come into our life. We have caused the great transformation in our life, my dear friends. And finally, let's salute our the foremost and the greatest and real guru, that is our breath. So breath is our real guru, my dear friends. Breath is our real guru. So this how we this is the day we remember all these gurus of the universe, the whole universe. That's how we are saluting all these visible and invisible gurus, in this universe. That's how. So we celebrate this full moon day, and we dedicate this full moon day to all the gurus of universe. Thank you. Thank you so much.